First, apply a white solid layer as your base background. Then, add the CC ball action effect on it and copy my settings to get that dotted texture look. Now, apply Deep Glow for smooth glowing highlights. Next, import your character and add a tint effect to stylize it. Bring in your cloud PNGs and create an environment around the character, aligning everything perfectly at the center. Also, add tint on the cloud layer for color consistency. Now, go back to your character layer and apply an inner glow effect to give it a soft inner shadow feel. If you try to add drop shadow on all three layers, background, cloud, and character, you'll notice that when the character shadow appears, it messes up the inner glow. To fix this, keep the drop shadow only on the cloud layer for now. Then, pre-compose all three layers together, and after that, apply drop shadow on the pre-comp itself. That'll fix the issue completely. Repeat the same process to create more characters. Now, for the particle background, give it a 3D parallax look by moving its position backward and increasing the scale. Make sure your 3D camera is active and all layers are set to 3D. Arrange all your characters close to each other, not too far apart. Then, create a null object. Make it 3D and connect it to the camera. This will act as your camera controller. Add your first position keyframe exactly as I'm showing. Then, select all the keys, easy ease them, and adjust the speed graph just like mine. If you want the animation to last longer, simply drag the keyframes further apart. Now, add a slight wiggle position expression to your character layers to give them subtle movement. Finally, apply CC for a clean finishing touch. And for the glitch effect, add BCC cross glitch on an adjustment layer. Your glitch character scene is ready. If you want the project file, check the description below.